Right now, your body is breaking down. Not tomorrow, not in 10 years. Right now, today, and it started the moment you turned 25. There is one protein inside your body that holds everything together. Your skin, your joints, your bones, your gut. Everything depends on it. And every single year, it disappears. Silently, slowly, without warning. Doctors call it natural aging. But here is what they don't tell you. You can actually slow it down. You can actually fight back. And the weapon? It is not a pill. It is not an injection. It is food. Simple, real, everyday food. Today we are going to show you 20 snacks that are loaded with the one protein your body is desperately missing. Stay until the end, because number 15 and number 19 on this list will completely surprise you. Let's begin. What is collagen and why does it matter? First, let's understand one thing. What exactly is collagen? Think of your body like a building. Every building needs a strong frame, strong walls, strong foundation. Collagen is that frame inside your body. It is the most abundant protein in the human body. It holds your skin tight. It cushions your joints. It keeps your gut strong. It supports your bones. Without enough collagen, the building starts to fall apart. Skin gets loose. Wrinkles appear. Joints start to ache. The gut weakens. And here is the shocking part. This process starts at age 25, not 50, not 60, 25. Every year after that, your body produces less and less collagen. By the time you are 40, you have already lost a significant amount. By 50, the effects are very visible. And what makes it worse? Sunlight breaks down collagen. Stress destroys it. Bad food slows its production. Most people are losing collagen much faster than they should. But the good news is this: you can give your body the raw materials it needs to rebuild, and you can do it through these 20 powerful snacks. Let's go through every single one. Snack number 1, bone broth. This is the king of all collagen foods. For thousands of years, people have been making this. Ancient civilization, biblical times, your great-grandparents, they all knew the power of bone broth. Here is how it works. You take animal bones, beef, chicken, lamb, and you simmer them in water for many hours. During that long cooking process, the collagen inside the bones breaks down into gelatin, and that gelatin goes directly into the broth. When you drink it, your body absorbs it quickly and easily. It heals your gut lining. It supports your joints. It feeds your skin from the inside. A warm cup of bone broth is like sending a repair team directly inside your body. Simple, powerful, ancient wisdom. Snack number 2, homemade gelatin gummy bears. Yes, you heard that right, but not the sugar-filled ones from the store. Homemade ones, made with pure gelatin, fruit juice, and a little honey. Gelatin is simply cooked collagen. When your body digests gelatin, it breaks it down into amino acids, the same building blocks used to make new collagen. These little gummies support cartilage repair, improve sleep, and strengthen nails and hair. And they taste amazing. Snack number 3, pork rinds. This might surprise you. Pork skin is naturally full of collagen. When it is fried or roasted, it becomes crispy and delicious. And unlike many processed snacks, pure pork rinds are high in protein and have 0 carbs. The collagen from pork skin directly supports skin elasticity and joint health. Just make sure you choose quality ones with minimal additives. Snack number 4, chicken skin crisps. Most people throw away chicken skin. Big mistake. Chicken skin is loaded with gelatinous protein. When you bake or air fry it until crispy, it becomes a delicious, savory snack. It delivers collagen peptides that hydrate your skin and lubricate your joints. Stop throwing it away. Start eating it. Snack number 5, artisanal beef jerky. Not all jerky is the same. Choose jerky made from grass-fed beef with minimal processing. Cuts with visible connective tissue are especially rich in collagen. This portable snack gives you protein, amino acids, and collagen support, all in one chewy bite. Perfect for busy days when you need something quick and powerful. Snack number 6, sardines in olive oil. Small fish, massive nutrition. When you eat sardines whole, including the soft bones, you get a direct hit of collagen along with omega-3 fatty acids, calcium and vitamin D. Those edible bones are rich in bioavailable collagen that supports bone density and joint flexibility. Open the can, eat them on crackers. Simple and incredibly powerful. Snack number 7. Collagen peptide powder drink. This is the most convenient option on this list. Collagen peptides are highly bioavailable, meaning your body absorbs them very efficiently. They are odorless and tasteless. Just mix and drink. Your skin, hair, nails, and joints will all benefit consistently, day after day. Quick pause right here. If this video is giving you real value, hit that subscribe button right now. We post powerful health and wellness content on this channel, Biblical Domination, every single week, and we are just getting started. The best snacks on this list are still coming. Let's keep going. Snack number 8. Collagen protein bar. When you are busy and need something fast, a good collagen protein bar is your best friend. Look for bars where collagen peptides are listed as a main ingredient. Avoid bars loaded with sugar. A good collagen bar supports muscle repair, gives you energy, and keeps you full, all while feeding your body with what it needs to rebuild. Snack number 9. Oxtail stew bites. Oxtail is packed with gelatinous connective tissue. When slow cooked, all that collagen breaks down into rich, healing gelatin. A small portion of oxtail stew is deeply nourishing. It supports joint health, gut repair, and skin elasticity. Comfort food with serious healing power. Snack number 10. Braised beef shank bites. Beef shank is full of connective tissue, which means it is full of collagen and elastin. When braised slowly, it becomes tender, rich, and deeply nutritious. Cut it into snack-sized portions. Each bite supports your skin structure and joint flexibility. Snack number 11. Braised chicken feet. In many cultures around the world, chicken feet are considered a delicacy, and for good reason. The skin and cartilage of chicken feet are almost pure gelatin when cooked. This means they are one of the most concentrated sources of collagen you can find anywhere. They support skin elasticity, joint health, and bone density in a powerful way. Snack number 12. Crispy fish skin. Salmon and cod skin, baked or air-fried until crunchy, is rich in marine collagen. Marine collagen is especially good for skin health. It promotes a clear, radiant complexion. Fish skin also contains omega-3 fatty acids, which fight inflammation and support cellular repair. Season it simply. Enjoy it guilt-free. Snack number 13. Roasted bone marrow. This is a rich, buttery, deeply nourishing snack. Bone marrow contains collagen compounds along with healthy fats and micronutrients. It nourishes the gut lining, supports immune function, and strengthens bones. This was considered a sacred food in many ancient cultures, including throughout biblical history. A small amount goes a long way. Snack number 14. Slow-cooked lamb riblets. The connective tissue around lamb ribs breaks down into beautiful gelatinous collagen during slow cooking. Seasoned with herbs and spices, these tender bites are both delicious and deep. They support joint health, muscular integrity, and overall body repair. Snack number 15. Stewed tripe. This one surprises most people. Stewed tripe. Tripe is the edible lining of an animal's stomach, and it is almost entirely made of collagen and elastin. This makes it one of the most powerful gut-healing foods on Earth. Slow cooking makes it tender and easy to eat. This snack is particularly potent for healing and sealing the gut lining, which directly impacts your skin, your immunity, and your overall health. Many ancient cultures ate this regularly. Now you know why. Snack number 16. Duck skin crisps. Duck skin roasted or air-fried becomes incredibly rich and flavorful. Like chicken and pork skin, it is dense. Duck also has a unique healthy fat profile, adding monounsaturated fats to the benefits. A luxurious snack with real healing power. Snack number 17. Slow-cooked turkey necks. Turkey necks are packed with collagen and gelatinous tissue. Slow cook them until the meat falls off the bone, then portion it into snack-sized bites. This is a budget-friendly, powerful source of collagen that most people completely ignore. High protein, deep nutrition, very underrated. Snack number 18. Dried cod skin crisps. From traditional Icelandic food culture comes this remarkable snack. Dried cod skin is air-dried until perfectly crisp. It is rich in marine collagen, which is highly bioavailable and especially beneficial for skin elasticity and hydration. Full of amino acids that support connective tissue throughout the entire body. Snack number 19. Slow-cooked beef tendon. This one is a hidden gem. Slow-cooked beef tendon. Beef tendon is almost pure collagen. When braised until tender, it becomes incredibly rich in glycine and proline, two amino acids that are the direct building blocks of collagen production in your body. Used widely in Asian cuisines, this snack directly supports joint repair, ligament strength, and skin elasticity. If you are serious about rebuilding your collagen levels, this snack deserves a place in your routine. Snack number 20. Collagen-infused jellies and puddings. Easy to make at home. Simply mix unflavored gelatin or collagen peptides with fruit puree, coconut milk, or herbal tea. Set it in the fridge. The result is a light, delicious, easily digestible snack that supports gut health, skin hydration, and provides essential amino acids. A sweet and satisfying way to end our list. How collagen actually works in your body. Now you know the 20 snacks. But let's understand something important. How does collagen actually work once you eat it? When you eat collagen-rich foods, your digestive system breaks the protein down into smaller pieces called peptides. These peptides are absorbed in your small intestine. They then travel through your bloodstream, and when they arrive at the right cells, they send a signal. They tell your body, produce more collagen. Your body then uses vitamin C, zinc, and copper to complete the building process. This is why eating these snacks consistently matters far more than eating them once. Your body needs a regular supply, day after day, week after week. That is when the real transformation happens. Better skin, stronger joints, healthier gut, more energy. What to pair with collagen foods. One more thing before we close. Collagen does not work alone. For your body to build new collagen, it needs helpers. Vitamin C is the most important one, found in oranges, lemons, bell peppers. Zinc is also critical, found in nuts, seeds, and meat. Copper and manganese also play key roles, so pair your collagen snacks with fruits and vegetables. This gives your body the complete toolkit to build and repair collagen as fast as possible. Let's be honest for a moment. Most people are waiting for a magic pill, waiting for an expensive treatment, waiting for the perfect moment to take care of their health. But your body cannot wait. Every single day without proper collagen support is another day your body falls further behind. The snacks we covered today are not complicated. They are real foods, simple foods, foods that people have eaten for thousands of years, from ancient civilizations, from biblical times, all the way to today. The wisdom was always there. Now you have it too. Start with just 1 or 2 snacks from this list. Be consistent. Give your body the raw materials it needs, and watch what happens. Your skin, your joints, your energy, your gut, everything starts to shift. Now, here is your action step. If this video gave you real value today, subscribe to Biblical Domination right now. Hit that like button. It helps more people find this information, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. We post powerful content about health, wisdom, and transformation every week. You do not want to miss what is coming next. See you in the next video.